You know, Woody, I'm really nervous for the elimination.
What? Why?
I feel like I'm gonna get eliminated. I'm not exactly the most liked on the team. That's probably Pen or Eraser. But not us.
I'm well liked.
Well, good for you. And if I get eliminated, win for me. Blocky's not gonna get eliminated.
What?
Hey guys.
Foldy? What are you doing here?
I'm taking over Marker as host. He's on vacation right now, so he just called me for some reason. I'm not sure why. But anyways, it's time for the elimination.
Okay.
What's your team name? Oh yeah, the squad. Get over here.
What is it?
I think it's like time for the elimination.
Yeah, I think it is too.
That's because it is. Now, we have received 0 votes, unfortunately. So, I'm gonna have to do this a certain way. I'm gonna do that because of the dream I had. I remember having a dream that Match and Pen, not bootleg Pen, just regular Pen, received 1 vote. So, I'm gonna say it's just down to them.
But that's not fair.
Yeah, I call that crap. Hey, this is a kid's show. Don't swear. That wasn't a swear. Anyways, Woody, Blocky, Eraser, and Bootleg Pen are safe. Now, since Pen and Match are tied at 1 vote, we're gonna use a tiebreaker. And what will, that be? A spin wheel.
Is there even one around here?
There is. Luckily, I have this gadget.
That's a phone.
It's a gadget. Anyways. It's really low battery, so I better do this fast. Okay. The spin wheel is done. Now it's time to spin and see who will be eliminated. I know I said it was to be eliminated, but I actually meant who's safe. Totally, yes. I definitely want Mash to be eliminated, so I just said that. I mean, I definitely not. Whatever. So, Pen,
You're safe. Oh, that's cool, I guess.
and Match is eliminated.
Aw.
Well, I mean, I guess that's kind of understandable. I'm not the most well-liked on the team, so I guess it's bye-bye time for me. Yeah, anyways, I'm gonna put this away. Low battery again? How ungrateful. Anyways, Match, any last words?
Yeah, my last words are...
Actually, I don't have any.
Oh, well...
Okay, goodbye then. Wait, where are you gonna send me? The closet? Okay. Wait, that sounds scary. I know it does. Wait, is this safe? Yes. No, I'm eliminated. Good riddance, am I right? Yes, you are right. Anyways, it's time for the next challenge.
And what is that?
I don't know. Marker's the one who comes up with the challenges. Now he's gone. I don't know what to do. I really don't know what to do. Wait, I really don't know what to do. Wait, why do I not know what to do? Wait, what the heck? Wait, what the heck? Whoever can jump the highest. I literally just said whatever came to my mind. Whoever jumps the highest on their team is safe. I mean, whoever jumps the lowest is eliminated. Go, I guess? Wait. How does this challenge work? Oh, right. Pick a team member to jump the highest, and whoever jumps the lowest, their team is up for elimination. So, is that clear enough? Sure. No, it really isn't.
Pin!
Yeah, I knew it was explainable enough. Go! Okay, guys, who is going to jump on our team? Oh, no! Bubble, you can jump high, right? Yeah, because I'm a boyble, I can join up really high. I mean, I guess that's true. You can jump, and the wind could probably blow you up. Excuse me? Oh, I meant the wind will go. Oh no, I'm gonna hit the ceiling. I can't reach this high. I have to go on the bed. Oh no.
Ow.
That really hurt. Why are my arms so long? You see, Bubble? Just like that. That's what you gotta do. Good job, Coiny. I am so proud of you. Pin, get away from me. What? Coiny. I thought we were friends. Well, you were really rude in the last episode. And I'm just not a fan of rude people, so I don't think I can forgive you. Or I don't think I can accept you as my friend anymore. What? Why not? I just said why. No! I mean, Pin, you had to see that coming. You were kind of a jerk to everyone. Really? Yeah. Well, I guess I'm sorry for being a jerk in the last episode, and I vow to never do it again. Okay? I mean, I guess I'll give you a chance, Pin. Alliance, remember? Yeah.
Yeah, I saw Tony hit the ceiling too. We need to do that too.
Get out of here. Mash got this, Teardrop. I believe in you.
Believe in the four in you.
I didn't know you were a robot.
Well, I am. Oh,
Uh-oh. Wait, is that how you were able to scan my brain?
no, I'm a god.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Wah.
Yeah, good job, Teardrop.
Yeah, I'm proud of you too.
Okay, guys, Teardrop jumped pretty high, and I think that's gonna be pretty difficult to beat. I don't think she jumped that high, Eraser. Well, I think she did.
Guys, what do we choose to jump?
Why not you, Woody?
What, me?
Yeah, I know you're a really good jumper, Woody. I believe in you.
Wah. Yippee! I did it, Bucky! I did it!
Yes, you did. That was incredible. We definitely beat Teardrop.
Hey, Foldy?
Yes, Pen.
Why did that sound weird? Are you...
Oh, yes, Bootleg Pen. You're my favorite. Fold the two wings inward to the center, one at a time, then you're done. Bootleg Pen, you've always been my favorite.
Wait, what?
Good thing he's gone.
But I thought he was your favorite.
No, I just said that to get rid of him. He is a bootleg. After all.
Yeah, I guess that's true.
Anyways,